Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the new functions that are available to you when using your Chromebook or Chromebase to take screenshots. In the past, we just did Control plus the button on the top of the keyboard that looks like a box with two lines next to it, and it would take a screenshot of everything that you can see. And if you do Control Shift plus that same button, then you could have selected a certain area of the screen. So what I'm going to do is focus on that second option of Control Shift plus that box with two lines next to it. So what happens now is you'll see a box come up that says Capture, and also at the bottom you'll see some more options come up down here. So let's first talk about taking a screenshot. It defaults to screenshot, and then so you can see that right here. There's also a video option, which I'll get to in just a second. If you want to do a full screen, you can just click that button right here, and then you'll just click the mouse again, and it'll take a picture of your full screen, and there it is right there. So I'm going to come back into there. Now, if I want to do a partial screen, I'll click this partial area right here, and then you have a box that comes up, and then you can, size it like you used to in the past and take your picture. And then I'm just going to click with the Enter key, and then it'll pop up down there, and there's my picture. Let's go back into that option again. So if I go to take another screenshot like that, it'll come back, the box will come back with the same size it was last time. So if you want to change it again, you can just do that. If you want to go back to your full size, just click this full size button down here at the bottom. Super easy, right? And then you can just hit Enter if you want to, and it'll take the picture for you. So let's look at the video option as well. So if I click down here where it has the picture of a camera and then the video camera, so it's now on the video option, and I can take a video of just a certain area of my screen. So like, let's say I want to take a video of Blooket, but I want to leave out all of these address information up here at the top. So I'm just going to select this, and then I'm going to click the record button. It'll give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1. So right now it's recording to my computer, and then what I noticed with this recording is the video quality was fine. It's totally would work for you. But the mic sounds weird. Like, it kind of sounds like I'm in a car. There's like a lot of just a constant like whooshing noise, like a shh. But you'll notice I'm on this program, which I'm recording with Screencastify, doesn't have that. So I'm not sure if it's a mic issue with my computer or if it's this new extension or the screen recording tool with Google Chrome. To stop your recording, down at the very bottom of your screen, there's a little stop button. And then your recording is done. It's saved. So I can click that and open it up. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear this well or not. So right now it's recording to my computer, and then what I noticed with this anyway, so there's my my video right there. So you'll notice that it does not have the address bar at the top, and it also doesn't have the stuff at the bottom either. And then if I can go from there, you can easily upload it to my Google Drive or YouTube and post the video there. So I suggest you play around with that if you're interested in trying out a new video recording tool. It's pretty cool. And if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.